I'm a 3D animator, and I just started cooking a pot roast, but I'm not eating it until the animation's finished. Enjoy. Making a 3D animation is just like making a pot roast. You have your story, your voiceover, your mocap, your face cap, your camera, and your renderer. By themselves, these are just ingredients. But when you combine them, that's where the magic happens. Like any good pot roast, you need to start with the story. Now this one is about 3 dudes on a life raft who have been trapped at sea. There's Chris, the pragmatic survivalist, Elliot, the worrier, and Trevor, the bro dude, who refuses the last meal because it's a cookie and his body's a temple, preferring to go through starvation than achieving his goals. And keeping in theme, I've chosen to act like Trevor today. Next you have the VO. Fuck. This is a very meticulous process in which you have to re-record every single line hundreds of times to make sure you get every single thing perfectly accurate. It's really tedious, it takes a very long time, and you kind of drive yourself insane when you say the same word over and over and over again, and it starts to lose meaning.
We just watched a boat explode. No way, 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 no way. Jesus fucking.
Nice.
And bingo boingo, the audio is pre-mixed. Ding ding ding, let's hear it.
Save the best for last. Let's split it. No way. Pass, dude. The ocean doesn't want me eating that shit, bro. You haven't eaten in 2 days. Carbs make me soft. Carbs make me soft. Physically, mentally, and spiritually. It's 300 calories. Of sugar? I'm not looking bloated in the rescue pics, bro. Let him keep his temple pure. You and I can split it. You're encouraging this? No, I'm supporting his discipline. Arigato, brother. This has nothing to do with you wanting more food. I just want what's best for the group. Trevor starving to death? Don't worry about me, bro. I'm tapped into something deeper. If you say so. The ocean provides.
Yeah, that'll do. That'll do. Okay.
After that is the mocap, here represented as a potato, because this really fills out the meal. It makes it something that's worth eating. Basically, without the mocap, you just have a bunch of stationary characters doing nothing.
Shout out Rococo for the suit. I will say this thing is not the easiest to take off and put on by yourself. A little freaky on Rococo's part that they prefer you not wear socks when you're wearing the suit, which makes recording this a bit problematic for me, as I'm not one to put my feet on the internet, but you know, all in the name of art, I guess. Take this move out. Ooh. Oh, fuck. It was supposed to go around my other shoulder, so I could click it in here. I'll get better next time. Bingo.
Save the best for last. Let's split it. No way. Pass, dude. The ocean doesn't want me eating that shit, bro. You haven't eaten in 2 days. Carbs make me soft. Physically, mentally, and spiritually. It's 300 calories. Of sugar? I'm not looking bloated in the rescue pics, bro. Let him keep his temple pure. You and I can split it. You're encouraging this? No, I'm supporting his discipline. Arigato, brother.
That's how you mocap. Done. We're done. That's it. It's over. It's animated. I can go eat my meat.
I think there's 5 hours left on the meat. Saw the mocap done. I need to clean it up a little bit. Then I need to bring it into iClone, which I forget how to do. Then I need to bring that back into Unreal. It's very hard to think when you're starving. I need to get a seagull asset, or I guess I don't need a seagull asset, but I do need a fish asset, because you don't see the seagull. No, I do need a seagull, but I don't need that for iClone. I just need that for Unreal. And I do need the fish to be brought over into iClone for the last scene. I feel like I'm stuck right now. Shit, what do I... need like a hook that gets me out of this fucking thing? Also, I haven't washed this yet because I still don't know how. Come on, there it is. All right. You guys don't get to see this part. Pants are back on, hat staying, or this thing staying up here because I kind of like it. And now I need to go through the different files and make sure I get the ones I like. So most of the Rococo stuff is really just about
making sure it doesn't look like shit. You know, as long as it doesn't look like my hair looks crazy with this thing. As long as it doesn't look like shit, it's fine. Fine. Works perfectly fine. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but fuck it, we're doing it. After the mocap is the facial capture, here represented as a carrot. The facial capture adds some bonus to the actual potatoes of the dish, which is the mocap, because potatoes are just empty carbs, which Trevor obviously does not fuck with. And it's important to have some expressiveness to the characters throughout the script. I'm gonna cut my finger off. Okay.
Save the best for last. Let's split it. No way. Pass, dude. The ocean doesn't want me eating that shit, bro. You haven't eaten in 2 days. Carbs make me soft. Physically, mentally, and spiritually. It's 300 calories. Of sugar? I'm not looking bloated in the rescue pics, bro.
Dude, there's like ants on me.
I'm out here trying to animate so I can eat, and I'm getting eaten by ants.
Anyways. Right, now in the best place in the world, oh wait, this is, that's Quixel, we need a fab. There it is, okay. So, we need a fish and a honey bun, or something like a honey bun. What are types of ocean fish? I love the swordfish, but I feel like it's gonna be just like way too big. Fuck it, right? Honey bun, Twinkie, pastry. Oh, this is making me hungry. Oh. Okay, what's splittable that they could eat? Danish is weird. God damn it. Maybe a cookie, just like a big ass cookie? None of these are compatible with Unreal. Just be good enough. Cool. You missed it, but I put the cookie in his hand. So now he is holding a cookie. Sorry for not showing you. That's a crash. Fuck. Fuck. No! For those of you who haven't spent much time with 3D softwares, there's this thing that happens every once in a while called a crash. It's when your entire computer just decides to turn off and everything that you've done for the past 3 hours doesn't save. It's pretty annoying when it happens in Unreal because if you save something that's in the level but not the cinematic, or the cinematic but not in the level, everything ends up broken. Fortunately, I'm working in iClone, which means that everything should be mostly saved up till the end. And if it didn't, I wouldn't be eating tonight. And there's 3 hours and 37 minutes left. I'm also on my 4th cup of water. Let's see what we lost.
Save the best for last. Let's split it. No way. Pass, dude.
Literally nothing. Shout out iClone. All right. Now some of you may be thinking, oh wow, it kind of sucks that you're not aligning every single finger in this bow, Bryce. To that I say, perfection is the enemy of progress. And you're not gonna fucking notice if I didn't call it out. Dude, I'm actually so hungry. This sucks. I haven't even gotten into Unreal yet. And there's like 2 hours and some change left. And it's starting to smell good in here. And I just sit here and wait to watch paint dry. Oh, that's good. One of the last steps in the process is the camera. Here represented as spice that I have dropping into a plastic cup. This is one of the longest parts of the process for me because I'm very finicky about the cameras that I choose. I think it's important to know when you want to do a wide shot, when you want to do a close-up, and I don't find that out till I'm almost done. So I redo everything the whole time. We do currently have 2 hours and 27 minutes on the clock. Now, I do feel good about that, in theory, as in I think I'll be able to eat when it's done, but cameras take fucking forever. Here goes nothing. Okay, camera time, new folder. Cam, and now we will just start adding our cameras. Oh, it's starting to hurt my head. Fuck. Or is it just the hunger? What did I fucking say? There's an hour and 9 minutes left, and I'm still on the cameras. I've been on cameras for like an hour and a half. As expected. Yeah. Told you this is gonna take a while. Jesus Christ. All right, I think I have my camera angles. I think that's good. And finally, the last step in the process is the render, which is the part where you take your story
your VO, your mocap, your face cap, and your camera, and your camera, and you lock that all away, and you lock that all away, and just hope nothing crashes, which something always crashes. Wish me luck.
I have 30 minutes until the beef is done. This is good to go. I need to save it, I need to render it, and I need to hope for the best. Something fucking happened, huh? The fuck is that all about? Good, 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 good. We love that. We love that. For some reason, something's clipping and everything's going crazy. That fixed it?
Okay, we're in. All right, unfortunately, I do need to make a proxy.
There is only 15 minutes left on the beef, so I have to get this done out the door in 15 minutes so I can eat. My tummy is in pain and there's nothing in it. It's just acid burning my fucking stomach. As soon as this is done, we are blasting off.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. There was a way before that it would auto-click the one I was hovering on, but now it doesn't.
This is gonna be close. There's 3 minutes on the render. How much on the beef? Four minutes on the beef, baby. We're doing it. 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 As long as this takes less than 3 minutes, we're good.
There was 3 minutes on that and then 4 minutes on the roast. And this will probably take a little more than 3 minutes. Is pretty unbelievable considering that it was 7 hours to start. And this all lined up in that same ballpark. Even like with crashes. It's pretty nuts. That's a W, baby. All right, I'm gonna go make myself a plate and then we'll watch it. As promised, here's the beef. I'm gonna have a full dinner in a little bit, but it needs to cool down. So I've just cut a small bit off. We have the top round rump roast, or bottom. It's a rump roast. We got carrots and we got some potatoes, and we're gonna sit here. And we're gonna eat this as we watch the video. All right, it's all cut up. We're ready to go. Let's have some dinner and a show.
Save the best for last. Let's split it. No way. Pass, dude. The ocean doesn't want me eating that shit, bro. You haven't eaten in 2 days. Carbs make me soft. Physically, mentally, and spiritually. It's 300 calories. Of sugar? I'm not looking bloated in the rescue pics, bro. Let him keep his temple pure. You and I can split it. You're encouraging this? No, I'm supporting his discipline. Arigato, brother. This has nothing to do with you wanting more food. I just want what's best for the group. Trevor starving to death? Don't worry about me, bro. I'm tapped into something deeper. If you say so. The ocean provides.
Dude, so the little part with the marlin coming down and the seagulls reach is so good. I'm like so stoked how that turned out. The beef is, though it was cooked in its own juices as well as beef broth for hours, is incredibly dry. So I might actually not eat most of the beef in this. I'm probably just gonna be a potato boy today. Is what it is. Thank you for watching. Go get yourself something to eat.